Some people say they're unlucky in love, that they can't catch a break, that timing is just never right. But what if it's not luck? What if something or someone is actively stopping you? My name is Marcus, and for 3 years, every date I've tried to go on near Valentine's Day has ended in disaster. Every single one. Until I discovered why. The first time, I thought it was a coincidence. It was February of 2023. Blind date with someone from a dating app. We went to a nice restaurant downtown. She got violently ill halfway through dinner. Food poisoning, ambulance, hospital. It was the whole thing. The weird part? I ordered the same dish. I was just fine. Then on Valentine's Day 2023, different woman,